Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of the 12 days of chiropractic. Today we want to take a few moments to look at the second stress that we are concerned about. The first stress was physical stress, and today's stress we're going to look at is the chemical stress that we are exposed to. And this is a huge topic. It's really a challenge to cover this in a couple of minutes. It is so prevalent that it actually just took a few minutes to pull together some products here in the office that have some chemicals that would be impactful to us. So this is just a small example of what we are exposed to on a daily basis. If we were to read the labels of on the carpeting, if we read the label on our clothing, if we were to read the label on the covering of our furniture, if we were to read the labels of our cleansing products, if we were to read the labels of our cosmetic products, if we were to read the labels of the packaged foods in the grocery store, and we see words that we cannot pronounce, those are the chemicals. And unfortunately, in the world of chemistry, chemicals are put into products, put out into the market, and not tested first. It's only after they have demonstrated a level of harm that they might be pulled from the market. And the challenging part of chemical toxicity is that it may not have an immediate effect. It's often an accumulative effect. So it will be exposure over a long period of time. It may even be a long time after the exposure that there would be an evidence of the effect, or it may be the accumulative effect of several different chemicals we're exposed to. And we won't be able to see the correlation between the chemical that caused it and the effect that it had on us. So it is a broad topic. Really, today our options are to attempt to eat cleanly as possible with our food, eating organic food, buying food locally that we know where the food comes from. Also to then look at coming from a standpoint of what we might do to remove toxins from our bodies, knowing that we just have exposure and it's really impossible to avoid that exposure. So a couple of times a year we do a cleansing program with the members of the practice, and one of those is coming up this January, and so you'll be receiving additional information in the coming days about our cleansing program. If you do want information more immediately on some of the categories of toxins that you may not be aware of so that you can have greater awareness, or you might want to have a list of things you can do to minimize your exposure, go to our website at zionsvillechiropractor.com. You can call us, you can email us, and we'll be happy to send you some information. So this is day 2 of 12 days of chiropractic. Look forward to speaking with you tomorrow.